we are committed of making the Goa green and sustainable state. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji has initiated this concept of life, which stands for the lifestyle for the environment. It is a moment of encouraging the people to adopt the sustainable lifestyle, practicing to reduce their environmental impact. This includes the using of energy efficient appliances, using the renewable energy sources, reducing the water consumption, minimizing the food waste, and adopting the sustainable practices for travel, fashion, and food.
I first visited Goa when I was in my early 20s in 1984. That's almost 40 years ago. This year I turned 60, so it's literally in my early 20s to now. So when I first came to Goa, I came as a tourist, and you could walk along the beach for a long time. You could stay in a little house, a shack on the side of the beach with no running water, no toilet. Now, Goa is a metropolis of international tourist film festivals, casinos, activity. It's still beautiful. It's still charming. It still has some of the best food in the world and some of the nicest people, but it's different.
It is an exclusive film festival and forum only on environment and wildlife. Started in 2002. We've traveled all over India and done more than 55 festivals, and done 11 competitive editions. We compile films exclusively on environment and wildlife from all over the world, and we have now more than 3,000 films in our library. Today we are here in Goa to do for very first time Goa CMS Vatavaran Film Festival, especially on the issue of lifestyle for environment, which Prime Minister Modi ji has started recently. And it is a film festival. We will be running on ESG next 3 days, only on environment and wildlife, where we will be not only showing local and international films, but also talking on various issues that concern Goa in this beautiful region, which is eco-sensitive, and as you can see, with increasing development, issues all around us that bother us, but we don't know where to express, how to express. And this is a festival that gives you a forum to talk about such issues.